Hi everyone! Ember.js 3.0 Web Development Recipes by Eric Hanchett. A video course by Pact Publishing. I'm Doug Stevens, and I'll be the voiceover artist for this course. Eric Hanchett is a software developer, blogger, and perpetual student who's been writing code for over 10 years. He currently resides in Reno, Nevada, with his wife and 2 kids. He blogs about software development at programwitheric.com. Let's take a look at what we've got in store. Section 1, Ember CLI Basics, shows you how to use Ember CLI command line tool and deal with upgrading and deploying your project. Section 2, Ember Templates, tells you how to use templates and template helpers. Section 3, Ember Router, demonstrates how to set up your model and work with loading states and redirection. Section 4, Ember Controllers, explains how to use properties and manage dependencies between controllers. Section 5, Ember Components, covers passing properties, events, and actions. Section 6, Ember Models and Ember Data, explains how to manipulate records and customize adapters. Section 7, Logging, Debugging, and Testing, demonstrates how to create acceptance and unit tests as well as the Ember Inspector. Section 8, Awesome Tasks with Ember, explains how to use Ember validations, Firebase, WebSockets, and server-side rendering. These would be the prerequisites of the course. Take a good look. This course takes you through a number of practical solutions covering a wide range of topics you need to know about Ember.js web development. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin this journey.